Hey guys, let's talk about how to remove your LipSense. So here we are, I have my lipstick on and I'm like, how do I get it off? Well, that's not working, but lucky for you, SeneGence makes something called Oops Remover. Now this will come with your starter kit when you first buy a LipSense starter kit, which comes with your color glossing remover. So all you have to do is take your Oops Remover and put it on like you're putting on lip gloss. And rub your lips together. This will break down the color particles. As you can see, it's starting to smear. It's ideal if you can wait around 5 minutes. Then you want to take a cloth and put warm water on it. So take your warm cloth and just wipe it off. Then I usually like to put my gloss on just to moisturize my lips or the lip balm. And that's it. That's how you remove your LipSense. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, just hit subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys.